What's happening in Calaveras country? Podcast about what to do in beautiful Calaveras and surrounding areas. Your fun calendar on the radio. This is the companion to our TV show, Calaveras Gold, the best of Calaveras country. Tune in to this podcast each week to hear about upcoming events and fun activities in our vacation wonderland. Welcome to Pet Tech, the podcast show about new technologies to help us care for our pets.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce the Water Garden Wizard, Guru of Goldfish, King of Koi, Lord of Lilies, Plumbing Pro, Maven of Muck, Outside Lace, Connoisseur of Clarity, Aquatic Aficionado, the one and only Prince of Ponds.
Hello, this is Ken Jones. Welcome to our podcast radio show number 3, what I like to call our Pondcast, a production of the new Ornamental Water Feature Academy. I am the Prince of Ponds, and I'm thrilled to be able to bring you this show, to have fun while answering your most pressing questions.
They are my friends, they are my children, they are the furry kids. They are my family, they understand me, that's how I love my pets.
This sweet and sentimental song with a great beat called I Love My Pets is the latest creation of Mark Winter, founder of Pet Life Radio. You can get your own copy at iTunes. I am thrilled to announce that Prince of Ponds is now part of the PetLifeRadio.com network, joining dozens of other podcast shows about animals. PetLifeRadio.com is the world's largest network of animal shows on the internet, with millions of listeners. If you're not already a listener, I invite you to check them out and add some of their great programs to your queue, in addition, of course, to the Prince of Ponds. Thank you, PetLifeRadio.com, for including us in your fun and fantastic lineup. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite cocktail while listening to WETI Radio, a tropical paradise for your ears. Hi, this is your host, Ken Jones, from the Prince of Ponds podcast. The frogs are shaking the shakers, the turtles are hitting the slapsticks, and the koi are blowing the trumpets. It's party time at the Prince of Ponds. Out under the swaying palm trees, the pond fairies are kicking up their heels, spinning in delight in the twilight. It's time to celebrate the magic of ponds, waterfalls, fountains, and water gardens at the Prince of Ponds podcast. Relax while I pleasure you with my musical fantasies. Aloha! This is WETI Radio, bringing you the news from the South Seas.
Once again, there's no unusual activity to report in the
Jungle Deep. The podcast that explores the tropical lifestyle. WETI Radio, broadcasting out over the South Seas and beyond. Welcome to paradise. Aloha.